One of the things we run into 3 or 4 times a year are clients that decide to sell their businesses or buy another business. Now, two things that we have found to be true during this period of time. Sellers tend to want to be very private about what they're doing, so they don't want to tell anybody about this other than the attorney they're working with. It's critical, though, that you do include your entire team. That includes your insurance broker. In our case, your secrecy is covered under our license agreement, and we're not going to sacrifice our license to disclose information that is private to you. But it is important that we are involved in the dealings of the negotiations to make sure that your insurance policies cover you throughout the transaction, and that also you have the right coverages to continue on after the transaction. Just because you sold your business does not eliminate all liability for the past. So give us a call, include us in the conversations. The other thing that I found to be true is that most attorneys that deal with sales don't always understand insurance policies and how they go through the transaction. Again, it's important to include your broker.